Hello, sweet love. I invite you to find a comfortable position if you haven't done so yet, and then to softly start tapping on the side of your hand. Whenever you're ready, take 3 deep breaths here. Please feel free to change any of the words I say if there's something that resonates more with you. Otherwise, repeating me out loud or silently. If it feels good, you can close your eyes or keep them softly gazing at a point in front of you. Continue to tap on the side of your hand. Even though there are days when my strength feels far away, deep down I know that my inner power always remains. And I choose to call it back to me now. Even though there are days when my strength feels far away, deep down I know that my inner power always remains. And I choose to call it back to me now. Even though there are days when my strength feels far away, deep down I know that my inner power always remains. And I choose to call it back to me now. Now gently start tapping on the top of your head. My inner power feels so far away. Tapping where your eyebrows start, like I've lost my inner spark. Side of your eyes. It's like my strength has vanished. Under your eyes. My inner power feels so far away. Under your nose. Like a fog over my heart. Under your mouth. And my energy feels so drained. Just below your collarbones. It feels like my strength has vanished. Below your armpit, on the side of your ribs, I miss feeling strong and clear. Back to the top of your head, my inner power feels so far away. Eyebrow point. I want to feel connected to my power again. Side of your eyes. What did my inner power feel like? Under your eyes. Perhaps a calm confidence. A steady flame. Under your nose. My energy moving freely. Under your mouth, a deep trust in myself. Even in times of uncertainty. Just below your collarbones, a resilient heart. Below your armpit, this quiet joy and peace. Back to the top of your head. And as I straighten my spine, lengthen my back and lift up my chin. Eyebrow point. I slowly feel the power rising within. Side of your eyes, a strong root growing down. From the bottom of my spine. Under your eyes, a spark rising from the embers in my belly. Under your nose, a wild and open heart. under your mouth, the truth emanating from my throat, just below your collarbones, as I see my power rising and rising. Under your armpit, I remember. Then tap on the top of your hand between your ring and pinky finger. I remember. I carry it in my blood. I carry it in my bones. I am made of the same magic that created the stars. I am the force and the fire. I am the knowing. I remember now. My inner power. You can pause and stop tapping here, resting your hands on your heart, bathing in your inner strength. And whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes if you haven't done so yet. Welcome back home. And if you're watching Sweet Anna, hi here. She recently messaged me about a personal experience with the videos that I create, and that really touched me, and I wanted to share it on here, which is something I've never done before, but it really means a lot to me when you all reach out, whether that is through an Instagram DM, via any platform really. It means a lot if you reply in the comments. And Anna asked for this theme. She requested this theme, and I felt super inspired to create this, so that's what I did. And it brought to me the idea that if you would like to see a certain theme in the video, you can either leave a comment below or you can send me a message or an email. It means a lot to me and I really enjoy it. So if this video helped you, please let me know by giving it a like. Share it with a loved one or on your social media, and don't forget to subscribe. I've also created something new, which is if you want to share your gratitude, you can buy me a tea or a cacao. The link is in the description. There goes a lot of love into this video, and by doing this you allow me to continue creating these for free. And just remember, you are so powerful. Until next time, sweet love. Bye bye.